In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in CapCut on your PC. So the first step is to open your project, and then you just have to select where you want to create the zoom in and out in your timeline. So as you can see, I have this photo here. Now let's say I want the zoom in to start here. What we're gonna have to do is simply select here the part, and then on the right side we have scale, then we have position and rotate. So what we're gonna have to do is simply click on the add keyframe where it says transform, and then we just have to move this a few frames uh, in front, just like this, and then we just have to zoom in wherever we want. So we just have to scale this up and place it wherever we want the zoom to happen. Now, as you can see, if I play the video, we have this zoom in. Now, if we select, we can see that we have these two diamonds in on our photo. So if you want to make this faster, you just have to move the right one closer to the left one. So as you can see now, we have this fast zoom. Now, if you want to make it slower, do the opposite. So move it far away. So as you can see, if we play now, it's really slow. So basically, this is how you can zoom in and out in CapCut on PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.